welcome to Evelyn and Ethan Vlog!
Wow, what a lovely picture. Ethan, did you like it? Yeah. But I have lost some colors. What should I do? Thank you, Ethan. This is a color wheel. This is a guide to mix colors. Thank you, Ethan. How do we use it? Oh, I got it. Violet plus red makes magenta. Red plus yellow makes orange. Orange plus blue makes dark blue. Let's add some fun. I have got 4 cups of water and a cup of milk. Pouring milk makes the colors bright and shiny. Let's select the primary colors, red, yellow and blue. Cannot be mixed from any other colors. Red, yellow, blue. Let's begin. First, let's mix blue with yellow. Excited? Now, enough. Now let's add little blue. Bright, isn't it? Now let's mix red with yellow. It's red. Now let's add yellow. I think we should have put yellow first, then red. Let's add some more yellow. It's orange. Now it turned orange. Guys, when you try, add the light color first, then the darker. Now let's try red with blue. See, I have added red first, because blue is darker than red. Okay, now let's put some blue. Want to make it more purple? Add more blue. I want to tie. Okay, then. Now it is the color purple. We have made orange, green and purple. Now we have learned about secondary colors. Okay. Two primary colors mix together to make a secondary color. Do you know what is hue? It is just another name for colors. A color mixed by white gives us its tint, light blue. A color mixed by black gives us its shade. Let's try with green. Open it. Green mixed with black makes dark green. Wasn't it